Hurricane storms batter these Portuguese cliffs each year. But for the white stork, it's home. Returning from Africa every spring to the same nest, this pair of white storks are patching up their roost in time for this year's chicks. This female collects branches to fortify her nest structure. She adds twigs one by one like a bricklayer constructing a fortress. These twiggy towers may look fragile, but at almost 10 feet wide, 10 feet deep, and weighing up to half a ton, they are deceptively solid and able to withstand the fiercest coastal winds.